Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with GoHenry Card Features Review My Usage Experience. GoHenry Card Features Review My Usage Experience offers a prepaid debit card and accompanying app designed to teach children and teens about financial responsibility. It's aimed at parents who want to give their kids a safe and controlled way to manage money, learning about spending, saving, and budgeting. Key features include parental controls, allowance payments, spending notifications, and savings goals. Their website provides details on pricing plans and features. GoHenry positions itself as a simple and secure solution, emphasizing ease of use for both parents and children. They highlight the lack of hidden fees and the ability to set spending limits. The system relies on a straightforward app interface and online portal. Availability is widespread, and you can check their website for specific details on eligibility. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using GoHenry Card Features Review My Usage Experience. Setting up the account was surprisingly easy. The online registration process was straightforward, and I had the card shipped within a week. The app interface is intuitive. I quickly grasped how to set allowances, track spending, and establish savings goals for my child. I particularly liked the ability to instantly see where the money was being spent and set spending limits for different categories, like online purchases or restaurants. The notification system is excellent, alerting me to every transaction in real time. One minor drawback was the slightly limited customization options for the card design. I had a quick question about setting up a recurring allowance, and their support team responded within 24 hours via email. I was really impressed by how easily my child understood the system and how engaged they became with saving for their desired goals. The standout feature for me was definitely the parental controls and the ability to monitor spending habits. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with GoHenry. It's a helpful tool for teaching kids financial responsibility, and I would recommend it to other parents. That's my overview of GoHenry Card Features Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.